Okay, welcome back, crew. You mastered the matrix in domain 1. Now it's time to hit the streets for domain 2, infrastructure. Every device, cable, and cloud connection is part of your digital engine. 30 questions stand between you and the finish line. Let's drop the clutch and see what your system can do. Question 1. Dom's crew is picking devices for the next mission. They need a portable system that can handle design software but fit in a backpack. What device should they choose? A. Server. B. Laptop. C. Frame. D. Router. The correct answer is B. Laptop. Remember, mobility is key. A laptop lets you race from garage to garage without losing horsepower. Laptops offer mobility and processing power for portable work. Question 2. Tej sets up a computer that manages data for all garage systems. Which computing device fits this role? A. Smartphone. B. IoT sensor. C. Workstation. D. Server. The correct answer is D. Server. Remember, servers manage resources and data for multiple clients on a network. Question 3. Roman wants his smartwatch to sync with the car's telemetry. What category does this fall under? A. Peripheral. B. Desktop. C. Mobile device. D. IoT device. The correct answer is D. IoT device. Remember, IoT devices collect and share data via the internet. Question 4. Letty uses a heavy-duty system for 3D design and simulation. What type of computing device should she use? A. Thin client. B. Server. C. Mainframe. D. Workstation. And the correct answer is D. Workstation. Workstations handle graphic-intensive tasks like computer-aided design, also known as CAD. Question 5. Brian upgrades his PC for faster race sim performance. Which component gives the largest overall boost? A. RAM. B. SSD. C. GPU. D. CPU. The correct answer is D. CPU. The Central Processing Unit, or CPU, executes instructions and determines system speed. Please know your acronyms before going into the exam. I promise you they'll show up. Question 6. Tej adds extra memory to multitask better. Which component is he upgrading? A. Cache. B. GPU. C. RAM. D. ROM. And the correct answer is C. RAM. RAM, also known as random access memory, stores data temporarily for active tasks. Be careful not to confuse this with read-only memory, or ROM. 7. Dom wants smoother graphics for video editing. Which upgrade will help most? A. NIC. B. GPU. C. HDD. D. Power supply. The correct answer is B. GPU. Graphics processing units handle graphic-intensive workloads and rendering. Question 8. Mia's PC keeps restarting during boot up. Which internal component is most likely failing? A. PSU. B. Motherboard. C. NIC. D. CPU fan. The correct answer is A. PSU. The power supply unit, or PSU, delivers power to all components. Instability points there. Question 9. TED compares HDDs and SSDs. Which device provides the fastest read-write speeds? A. Optical. B. HDD. C. Tape. D. SSD. The correct answer is D. SSD. Solid-state drives use flash memory for lightning-fast access. Question 10. Roman backs up race footage offline. Which storage device should he use? A. RAM. B. Cloud. C. HDD. D. Cache. The correct answer is C. HDD. Hard disk drives offer large, inexpensive offline capacity. Dom wants redundant storage so he never loses data. Which RAID configuration mirrors his drives? A. RAID 1. B. RAID 10. C. RAID 5. D. RAID 0. The correct answer is A. RAID 1. RAID 1 duplicates data for fault tolerance. Question 12. Mia needs access to files from anywhere. What's the main benefit of using cloud storage? A. Global availability. B. Physical control. C. Lower latency. D. Offline access. The correct answer is A. Global availability. Cloud storage syncs data across devices worldwide. Question 13. Tej adds a 3D printer to the shop. What type of device is that? A. Output. B. Input. C. Storage. D. Processing. The correct answer is A. Output. Remember, printers create physical results from digital data. Question 14. Dom installs a steering wheel controller for a driving simulator. What kind of device is this? A. Storage. B. Output. C. Peripheral network. D. Input. The correct answer is D. Input. Controllers and keyboards send user input to the system. Question 15. Mia connects a virtual reality headset to experience full immersion. What type of peripheral is it? A. Hybrid input-output. B. Storage. C. Input. D. Output. The correct answer is A. Hybrid input-output. Question 16. Tej connects a 4K monitor. Which interface provides digital video and audio? A. VGA. B. HDMI. C. USB-C. D. Ethernet. The correct answer is B. HDMI. HDMI is used to transmit high-definition audio and video signals. Question 17. DOM connects an external SSD for backups. Which port gives the fastest transfer speed? A. USB 3.2. B. Audio jack. C. Ethernet. D. USB 2.0. The correct answer is A. USB 3.2. USB 3.2 is faster than the other options. Question 18. Mia pairs Bluetooth earbuds to her laptop. What type of connection is Bluetooth? A. Wireless PAN. B. WAN. C. LAN. D. Wired. The correct answer is A. Wireless PAN. Bluetooth is a wireless personal access network that forms short-range personal area networks. Question 19. TEDS runs several virtual machines on one server. What technology enables this? A. Containers. B. Virtualization. C. Emulation. D. Partitioning. The correct answer is B. Virtualization. Virtualization runs multiple operating system instances on one host. Question 20. DOM rents servers by the hour from a cloud provider. Which cloud model is he using? A. Infrastructure as a service. B. Software as a service. C. Business process as a service. D. Platform as a service. And the correct answer is A. Infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service delivers virtualized hardware resources. Mia builds apps online without managing servers. Which cloud service model does that describe? A. Platform as a service. B. Function as a service. C. Software as a service. D. Infrastructure as a service. And the correct answer is A. Platform as a service. Platform as a service lets developers focus on software while the provider manages the infrastructure. Question 22. Roman streams music through a cloud app. Which service model delivers this? A. Hybrid. B. Software as a service. C. Infrastructure as a service. D. Platform as a service. The correct answer is B. Software as a service. Software as a service provides ready-to-use applications via the internet. Question 23. TED's shop upgrades to Fire Internet. What is the main advantage of fiber? A. High speed and bandwidth. B. Low cost. C. Easy installation. D. High latency. The correct answer is A. High speed and bandwidth. Fiber delivers ultra-fast transfer rates and reliability. 24. Mia's rural garage uses satellite internet. What's the biggest drawback? A. High latency. B. No upload support. C. Low availability. D. Slow downloads. The correct answer is A. High latency. Satellite signals travel long distances, often causing delay. Question 25. Dom wants reliable wired internet for his shop. Which connection type should he choose? A. Fiber. B. Cell. C. Dial-up. D. DSL. The correct answer is A. Fiber. Fiber combines high speed with consistent performance. Question 26. Tej links multiple devices inside one garage. What type of network is this? A. Wide area network. B. Local area network. C. System area network. D. Personal area network. And the correct answer is B. Local area network. A local area network connects devices nearby. Question 27. Dom connects garages in different cities. Which network type does he need? A. Wide area network. B. Wireless local area network. C. Local area network. D. Personal area network. The correct answer is A. Wide area network. Wide area networks connect distant locations. Question 28. Mia assigns each device a unique network address. What is this address called? A. MAC. B. IP address. C. DNS address. D. DHCP address. The correct answer is B. IP address. Internet Protocol addresses identify devices on a network. 29. Ted sets up a new Wi-Fi network. Which standard provides the highest speeds? A. 802.11b. B. 802.11ac. C. 802.11n. D. 802.11a. The correct answer is B. 802.11ac. 802.11ac Wi-Fi 5 supports multi-gigabyte throughput on 5 GHz. 30. Mia notices her Wi-Fi signal drops when too many devices connect. What is the most likely cause? A. Channel interference. B. Fiber congestion. C. DHCP exhaustion. D. VLAN overlap. The correct answer is A. Channel interference. Overlapping channels often cause interference and weaker signals. Okay, friends, race complete. You crossed the finish line of Domain 2 infrastructure. This is often the most challenging domain for the exam. You tuned your knowledge, built speed through every section, and proved you understand how digital engines of IT really run. Please like, share, and subscribe so you're ready when we shift to Domain 3. See you next time.